Morning, we are learning that a judge has awarded a local woman nearly $900,000 after she sued the city.
Diane Lloyd says she was walking from the Claremont post office to her car when she fell and landed in a pothole and broke both of her ankles. She filed a lawsuit last year and then says the city never showed up to any of the hearings. CBS 8's Chris Groh joining us live now to explain what has happened so far this morning. Good morning, Chris.
Hey, look, this is a story that we first brought to you back in July, but fast forward to today, August 1st, and we've learned that a judge has awarded a 74-year-old woman nearly $900,000, but not because of legal maneuvers or tactics that her lawyers used, but simply because the defendant in this case, the city of San Diego, did not show up to court. Now, 74-year-old Diane Lloyd sued the city after she tripped because of a pothole and broke both her ankles. This happened outside of this Claremont post office back in December of 2020. Now, in November of last year, she filed a lawsuit. The thing is, though, according to the woman's attorneys, they say that the city never responded to the lawsuit and that they also never showed up to court. Now, we know that they didn't show up to court because we were there and saw the empty defendant's chair. Lloyd instantly won her case by no one from the city appearing. Now, that means that taxpayer dollars for now will be paying out that settlement without the city trying to contest the allegations. Now, we did reach out to the city attorney's office back then, and they told us that they were not properly served and that they expected the judgment to be vacated and no money to be awarded. However, today we know that the judge did actually award that money, that being $898,000 and $898,843, and the city has responded. We'll get to that in a little bit, but I want to take you back to that courtroom and take a listen to what both Lloyd's attorney had to say in court as for Lloyd too.
The city has had notice of this case. You have the filings. They were served appropriately.
I cannot climb or go down steps. I cannot walk any distance. I cannot be on my feet for any length of time.
And now we just heard back from the city of San Diego, specifically the city attorney's office, and I'm going to read to you a partial portion of their statement. It said, quote, "The real story here is why the Gomez law firm, who sues the city on a regular basis and knows how to serve the city, failed to do so properly in this case and represented otherwise to the court. The documents that the city has pulled from the court registrar of actions indicate that the complaint was provided to an individual in risk management, which is not proper legal service on the city." They then go on to say that they are going to ask for this award, this settlement, to be vacated. They're going to ask the judge to go ahead and vacate that nearly $900,000 award that went there to Diane Lloyd. Now, you can read the rest of that statement up on our website, cbs8.com. Just go ahead and click on that story link. And if we do hear from Lloyd's attorneys in regards to what the city's attorney's office is saying, we'll be sure to update that part of the story as well, too. Eric and Netta.